Welcome to Little Learner's Path. Birds, animals. Eagle. Seagull. Owl. Bluebird. Hummingbird. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming fun learning.